Hey, it's Jason with West End Heating and Air out here in Richmond, Virginia. On a free estimate for just a sweetheart. Lady's around 85 years old, and she had her company. It's a rather large company, do some maintenance. And they said she was out of refrigerant, and she needed $1,500 worth of refrigerant and leaks at the indoor coil. It is a 9-year-old Lennox unit. I mean, you know, it needs a little bit of maintenance, I feel, but I know that things get dirty, and if they cleaned it a couple months ago, that, you know, I'm not negating that, but what I'm upset about is saying it was empty. The system has refrigerant, and the compressor is not coming on. I don't know if you can see that or not. So I'm gonna probably put a capacitor, a wire repair, and I will update this video when I'm done. Not cool. All right, guys, I'm back, and we had a burnt wire on the common side. You know, there's a dual run capacitor that was replaced. I cut off this, installed a new stake-on connector, and we're good to go. Under no circumstance, I'm just really not happy right now. I know we all make mistakes. I'm not going to mention the company name because that's not cool. That's not what the point of this video is for. But this is a sweet lady. All of our customers are great. They all mean something to us, and we make mistakes too. I'm not throwing anyone under the bus, but the system is perfectly charged. It's a newer system, and I'm just a little angry because I'm looking at her table before I came out at a $14,000 quote. $14,000 total system replacement, or $1,500 minimum for the refrigerant just to fill it up. The system has all the refrigerant in it. The compressor wasn't coming on. Just not cool. Anyway, hopefully this video was helpful. It's all running right. Got the date. Look at that. Got a little smiley face on it. Put the date that our company, West End, did it. Put a sticker on the unit. Hopefully this video was helpful. How can we help you today?